guys, bali kung sino gustong magpagawa ng flatbed printer, just email me or check me at the Facebook. Ito po yung mga brand. Yan po yung T13 flatbed. Inable po yung cleaning niya or head clean, nag-head clean po siya automatic. Hindi po katulad ng ibang flatbed, naka-disable. So, yan po yung T13 flatbed. And this one is T10 flatbed. Kinonvert ko rin po siya. T10 flatbed. Oops. Automatic din po yung head clean niya. Kaya easy cleaning. Madaling i-maintenance. And that's all. Kung sino gustong magpagawa, email me mo lang po. Email lang po. Nandiyan po yung email ko or check me at the Facebook website. Okay?